My friend, don't never date an Amish man that still has the full beard and is committed to the Amish church. Don't ever trust that. The only way you want to trust it is if you see them whacking the beard off, which is their marriage symbol in the Amish, and cutting their hair. If they are going to cut their hair and show you proof that they're all in and change the lifestyle first, then I would probably believe it. But if they're still Amish, you're just a side piece of meat for him. He's just fulfilling his sexual desires. That's what he's wanting, and you're giving him that. You're feeding into that. He can tell you lies and lies for years if you're willing to believe it. But don't believe any Amish man that says those things. They have to prove it to you first.